Asicha bisina neche kiama kia UDA mwanju morieri ngoko mnyakiweka ase nyumba ya Camelback usoma bogani o Camelback abu ase abarai anemono kuru ase semeri ya judicial banyako bakora Omosangererekano bwa matuko atatu asiri tukuri harero umukonyi bw'umunachi Ebina umonene aiga Kenya Philomena Mwiru anyako bakawikana na ukora Omosangererekano yunyara ko kohendera ase nsemiyo kaukwana ekerekyo ni kanyako bakakobakirambia mono asugwikana amaigiria yunyara ko bakakwa ase county ya Kisii nabo igo asanya kubaga kwa buri bane kingango so abari ase ibyombe bira kunya kwa biko bakonya koenderia amagima abo boigo nigo anyara kubaga kwa kira umusingambu ya mono aso kugenda kubwate nabo igo abachache abanyako bagwikana ngambu ya mono ase egasi bagenda gukora kutia asense ya Kenya musakeitu bwa mangana mayi gekongeni ganyako bakagutwariganira oroboti uru asinchira jugwikirano
Omokonyi w'Abanachi Ebina aiga Kenya Philomena Mwiru nigo abakawikirana ase omubagano Camelback ase gukora omuyiga w'Abanachi Ebina oyobeire asegeka kya matuko atatu.
Today, I'm grateful for the opportunity to once again deliver remarks at the close of this important annual forum. We must not take for granted His grace and infinite mercy that sees us gather here together, who we know across the nation much suffering has been wrought by the extended rains we are currently experiencing. Grace and infinite mercy that sees us gather here together, who we know across the nation much suffering has been wrought by the extended rains we are currently experiencing. It is in this spirit of undeserved mercies and being grateful to the Almighty God that I address you today. The theme of this year's forum is enhancing organizational growth and sustainability through shared leadership.
Philomena Mwiru nabaka kubakira ambiamono Abanachi Ebina so gwikirana nabo igo orwesegeto gochiase bare gokorega siabo asenchira yo bwikirano.
The theme of this year's forum is enhancing organizational growth and sustainability through shared leadership. It is not by chance that the opening presentation at this year's forum was on the institutional blueprint, the social transformation to access to justice stage. As leaders, you must not only lead by example in regard to court performance and case management, you are responsible for planning, budgeting, and doing all those things that require that a leader leads from the front. You must not only budget for court activities, you must manage court station finances, you must manage procurement processes, and you must manage human resource management as well as other day-to-day operations of our stations.
Oigo Philomena nabaga kubasegeta gosoa ase sako iranyare kubage kubakonya barabubuna Abanachi Ebina.
It focuses on the justice capabilities, justice needs, and justice problems of our people. Organizational growth and sustainability must be linked directly to justice realities on the ground. A key aspect of this reality is the plurality of justice provision and the agency and justice capability of people and communities in addressing their own justice concerns. As heads of station,
Kingo reporter ya kurua segeta zeni kia Amazing Voice of Victory lietando Kelamek Gekonge.